Here is a very quick and easy breakfast idea. You want to save this video for later. Let's make this barbecue pulled chicken taco.
Guys, it's nice.
So on this bright sunny morning, I decided to meet tired of the egg and bread story. I'm very hungry, but then I want something that tastes nice and delicious so I can cock up my foot and enjoy my breakfast. So I did have some roasted chicken from the previous video, the same one the way you just watched. So I said, alright, then I have the leftover chicken, so I'm going to make some barbecue pulled chicken taco. Some fried plantain, not the plantain them that overripe. So I said, alright, I'm now plantain them waste. So I fry the plantain, I cut out the chicken. I did have a little sweet pepper and a little onion, so I dice up that I'm saute it in my coconut oil. And then I did have a little barbecue sauce, so I just put my barbecue sauce in there and just make that go and simmer down. So right there, so now I prepare my tacos, so I just